Crypto billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. I have made it to Tennessee. I am chilling with my friend.
Isn't it Dogecoin?
This is Dogelon Mars, the next Dogecoin, my good friend.
I want Dogecoin.
My friend's name is Jacob for all of you guys, if you are wondering. Anyways, let's get straight into the in-depth technical analysis. And if you don't know, I took a road trip up to Tennessee and we are chilling. Made it safe. So we are back with the price action daily for you guys. Let's get into it. So we are finding support around the 11 levels, which is exactly what we want to see. We have created a doji candle, however, it is turning into a green candle, green hammer, which indicates a reversal pattern. Excuse the obnoxious laugh to my right. Anyways, we're here to make money. Anyways, we have seen a green. Anyways, the green hammer. Green hammer is forming. Stop that. Come on, man. So yeah, what we want to see in the coming day, or 2 days, is a push higher to this 1150 level and a close above. Okay. Once that happens, then our next level of support is this 1217. Real simple. We're in a very easy consolidation. Around these 11s, we have shown continued support in the previous times that we have tested it. So now we just need to see it close above here. That's a confirmation candle to start averaging in. Once it closes above, average your bags. See how it reacts up here. For all of you day traders that are taking the course, you can read the tape and learn, like, see when people are buying and selling to see if this is a good support. But you got to be trading on the like 10-minute, 5-minute candles. That's for day traders. But yeah, as it comes up here, you can read the tape, or if you're normal and not day trading, you're just trying to make money, but not like scalp. Anyways, once it comes up here, we're probably going to see some selling pressure, which is normal. However, we want it to retrace down to these absolutely humongous candles, down to the 1172 level, and then push higher, moving through this 1220 level. Okay, that's what we want to look for in the future. If we break to the downside, the overall market is also dropping. That is the only way I can see us breaking this 11 floor, is if Bitcoin continues to fall, because we have seen continued support, and this is a bullish indicator, making higher lows. Now we did have this black swan right here, pushed all the way down and then regained traction once it hits the institutional buys, and it pushed higher. Now we are consolidating before our next break to the upside. Okay, my friends, this is a perfect buying opportunity around these 1111 levels. So get in, make a wish. We are going to the moon. Volume tapering off. We're fueling up the rocket because we're breaking the moon, my friend. We're going to Mars.
Ew.
Let me get a HODL to Mars. Say it. HODL to Mars, my friends.
No.
Come on, say we're going to Mars.
We're going to Mars.
Yes, that's right. That is right. Have a beautiful day. Be safe. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.